Yeah, muna mo ang hotel sa Victoria. Where's our hotel? 30. Oh, 33. Very close. This is our room in Milan. Oh.
Look over here.
Oh, karaan
You get a
gyapon.
coffee maker.
Ah,
Nice little coffee maker.
we have coffee maker. This one is our toilet, very nice. Oh, very nice toilet. Shower room. Duha ka kilang bowl.